Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me present to you a popcorn maker from Royal Catering. If you need a lot of popcorn, well, that's the machine for you. It's actually the biggest, one of the biggest and the most efficient they have on offer. Alright, so in order to show you what it does and what it has, let me quickly prepare a portion of popcorn. In order to do so, let's open the door, just like that. Which by the way gives me access to the main chamber, and I can show you this drawer that pops outwards and gives you better access to your product. So let's open the lid and talking about the heart of the machine. This is the stainless pot with a huge capacity of 4.8 liters. Of course it's Teflon coated, so nothing will get stuck to it. There is this churning mechanism right here. So what it does, it spins all the time while the popcorn is cooking. It prevents the popcorn from sticking to the surface and prevents the burning, and obviously it makes the uncooked kernels to fall down on the heating surface, so they will pop again, so you get the maximum out of your portion. Alright. Let me put the oil in. You will find specific amounts on how much oil and popcorn you need in the instruction manual. I can just tell you it is 80 mils of oil and up to 300 grams of corn kernels. By the way, the measuring jar and the scoop you will receive in the set. So measuring and shoveling popcorn is not a problem. You don't need additional tools. Hang on a second, I just forgot the lid. Let me just pop it down and let's turn the machine on. Alright, there's only 3 switches. So the first one turns on the warming and the light, so the popcorn would always stay nice and warm for your guests. Then you turn the heating on, of course the heating in the pot, and of course you need to remember about this churning mechanism. Each portion will take up to 180 seconds. So now I have 3 minutes to get through all the technicalities. So first, the materials. It's made of steel, aluminum and tempered glass. This glass is really sturdy, so you don't need to worry about breaking it. It will take a lot of abuse. Moving down, there's this really nice feature. There's this catching tray. This tray will catch all the uncooked corn kernels, so the bottom is perforated, so when you mix it up a little bit, the holes are just big enough for the corn to fall through, so you won't serve your guests any uncooked kernels. Efficiency of the machine. Well, for the pot of this size you need a lot of power. This machine delivers. It has 2300 watts, so it's really powerful and efficient, and it works with normal 230 volts. So all you need is just normal wall socket, no special installation needed. What I like really a lot about this device is this retro sort of disco style look and design. Okay, so the popcorn started to pop. Let's give it a few more seconds. And one advice. Obviously you can make it either salty or sweet. It's up to you. There's 1,000 recipes on the internet on what you can do with popcorn, so just feel free to experiment. One remark to the machine though, please note there is no timer for it, so you just have to listen to what's happening. So now the machine is just working at its fullest. Okay, so you hear the popping has almost stopped. That's the signal the popcorn is ready. Just a couple of seconds, just to make sure all the corn is cooked. Let's turn the turning off, the heating off. Alright, let's open the door, and by pulling the lever, you just drop the whole thing out. One thing though, seasoning. Well, I like my popcorn salty and spicy. Just remember, when you put the seasoning on, just always do it while the popcorn is still warm. It will absorb it much better. So put the salt on. I always put some Cajun spice on it and chili powder just to make it fancy. Let's mix it up a little bit, and that's about it. Okay, so now the popcorn is made, let's talk about cleaning. Very nice feature is the fact that you can unplug the main power cable that goes to the heating element in the pot. And you can take the pot out of its hinges. Of course, it's not dishwasher safe, so you have to clean by hand. Just remember, do not use any abrasive or corrosive detergents, because you may damage the Teflon coating. One very important cool feature is the fact that once you unplugged it, you can close the blind where the plug goes in. You can spray the whole thing with glass cleaner, just wipe it down with a paper towel, and it's ready to be used again. Alright, so let me just quickly summarize. The machine is made of steel, aluminum, glass, has a few nice really cool features, has a very big pot with a capacity of 4.8 liters. It's easy to operate and it's very efficient with 2300 watts. Alright, but if you're looking for a popcorn machine, just feel free to have a look at the website. There's a variety of them. There's different sizes, different shapes, different efficiencies. You will definitely find one that will suit your needs. If you order this, however, it will come with a 3-year warranty and it will be delivered in a box like this, with a styrofoam for a really nice tight fit, so nothing will happen to it during transport. Obviously, there's an instruction manual inside. Please have a read before you turn on the machine the first time. There's a lot of useful information. Okay, that's about it. If you found this informative, remember, I'm your hands-on expert. Let me know in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.